Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a review of the newer softbox lights. They're like 700 watts. Now, these ones are not adjustable or dimmable like these newer lights, the LED ones. This one is just a bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you guys, I've had these lights for over 2 years now, and I want to show you guys the what you get, the case, and then I want to show you just kind of like the features of this particular light. If you're interested in using a softbox light, either for photography or you need to like light up your YouTube studio or wedding photography or product photography or anything like that, these would be really good to use. The one thing is that it is pretty big. It does go really tall. It can go up over 6.5 feet tall, and it is actually adjustable here. But what I'll do here real quick is give you guys kind of an idea of the pieces that you'll get. So here you'll get a case for the actual, the outside here, this actual housing for the light. It actually folds down and goes into this bag, and you can see this is a 2-pack, and this is the second light here. It comes with a enormous bulb, right? So it comes with 2 of everything. So here are 2 of the bulbs. Here are the 2 of the housings for the light. And then this is the second stand that comes with it, okay? It also comes with directions, of course. Now, this is the case that comes in. Both of these softbox lights, they actually fit inside this bag, which is really, really nice in case you need to take it anywhere. It's really, really small, and it's actually not that heavy. You can pretty much take this anywhere you need to, okay? So that is what you get with this particular double set of softbox lights. Here you can see it comes with a Velcro for this particular front portion of it. You can leave this on to make it a more softer light, or you can actually remove it, and you guys can see the huge light bulb that's in here. And I'll show you guys what it looks like when you turn it on. Like I said before, you actually can't dim this particular light. It's either on or it's off, all right? So also here, you can, like I said earlier, you can actually loosen this up, and you can tilt this. You can tilt this up, or you can tilt this down depending on what you need to use it for. And there's adjustable knobs here to, because this piece actually comes off, and this piece tightens it down to the actual stand. And then as you go down, you can see there is just tabs where you can tighten up the telescoping arm. And then there's also a tab here at the bottom so that you can lock the base depending on how wide or small you want this tripod base. So yeah, this is the newer 24-inch 700 watt light. Again, I've had them for a couple of years. They do have their place. I do use them from time to time for photography. However, I do use the adjustable LED lights quite a bit more inside my office because I do YouTube filming, and I also do a lot of product reviews like this one. And these are easier and more portable than these. As you can see, they're pretty big. So if you're looking to do any type of photography and you want just a soft white light, this is probably one of the best softbox lights that I recommend, all right? As usual, give me a thumbs up if you got value out of this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching another SMARTIPS product review. As usual, you can find the product reviewed in this video in the description down below. It is an affiliate link, but it's at no added cost to you, and it helps support my channel. If you got value out of this video, make sure you smash the like button. And if you want to watch future videos from me, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.